You will rise, you will rise, rise, rise.
Welcome to Our Lady of Fatima University. At Alfu, we believe in more than just education. We believe in shaping the future from the classroom to the community. Our commitment is to foster holistic development and empower individuals to excel and contribute positively to society.
Our vision is clear: to be the premier inclusive university of choice, aspiring to improve man as man. We strive to achieve this by developing individuals through a legacy of excellent education and compassionate value formation.
Our mission, in partnership with Fatima Medical Science Foundation Incorporation, is dedicated to the holistic formation of the individuals. We aim to equip our students with not just knowledge and skills, but also with virtues that will guide them throughout their lives.
At Alfu, we are guided by our core values, which from the foundation of our educational philosophy are respect, valuing and honoring the dignity and perspective of others. I, integrity, upholding honesty and strong moral principles in all actions.
Committing to helping others and contributing for the community. Excellence. Striving for the highest standards in all issues.
These core values are embodied in our graduate attributes, covered in the acronym ACHIEVE. A. A for aspires to do its best. We encourage our students to reach their highest potential in all endeavors. C. C for credible and valued. Our community is built on trust and empathy, valuing each individual's worth.
H. Hardworking and honorable. We value diligence and integrity in every action. I. Inspiration to others. We aspire to be role models who motivate and uplift those around us.
Efficient and maintain energy. We strive for excellence through fast practice. B. Visionary. We cultivate forward-thinking individuals who are effectively giving.
E. Entrepreneurial, employable and excellent work habits. We prepare our students to thrive in their careers with strong work ethics and experimental spirit. R. Responsible. We instill a sense of responsibility towards society and the environment.
Join us at Our Lady Fatima University, where we are dedicated to aspiring excellence, transforming lives, and building a better future together.